So, affirmation is one of the most significant, simplest tool that you can use in your life to create whatever that you want. Whatever you want, you can create it through affirmation. Now, the beauty of affirmation is it works. You need to do it regularly. Regularly, you have to do it. Regularity is king. Okay? Now, another thing is, it doesn't matter if you believe it. Do you believe in affirmation? If you do, it will work. If you don't believe in affirmation and still if you regularly practice it, it is still going to work. That is the beauty of affirmation. So, now what do we do for affirmation? You can keep it very simple, you can keep it very complex. It depends totally upon your lifestyle, the way you think, inside the box, outside the box, it doesn't matter. What you do is, you try to say the same thing again and again and again and again and again. For example, just by saying, I am a very happy person. I am a very happy person. I am a very happy person. If you keep on saying this, don't go insane, but if you can say it like 20 to 25 times in the morning and 20 to 25 times in the night, what happens is your subconscious mind starts listening to this. Your subconscious mind will never hear to what you're saying because your subconscious mind takes care of you. And your subconscious mind always listens to you. So you know what is happening. When you keep on saying this thing will start getting fed into your subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind will start working with the universe to make this thing happen as in the true form. That is, I am a very happy person becomes the truth of your life because you took the courage and you took the time to say it regularly, morning 20 to 25 times, night 20 to 25 times. That is the power of affirmation. So, how you can go about it, there are so many guidelines and things that you can do about it. But what I would say is always make sure that you attach it to I am, because I am is a very powerful word because that is what you are. And along with that, whatever you add, say for example, I am honest, I am exuberant, I am affluent, I am a great speaker, I am a multi-millionaire, I am very caring, I am a go-getter. So you can put whatever is credible and whatever is necessary for your life. And when you do that, what happens is, when you do it repeatedly, these affirmations will start becoming the truth of your life. So choose your words carefully, wisely, and keep in mind, regularly keep on doing it. I wouldn't say doing it for 1 or 2 weeks is going to make miracles happen, but you have all the time in the world, right? Why don't you do it for around 8 to 9 months? I am urging you to try it out so that you can reach a point where things start becoming true. Even if you're a non-believer, you will start believing it because the proof shows that this is worthy to be believed. So that is the power of affirmation.